51334. It's a Mazak QTN 100, Roman numeral 2, MY, serial number 201308, built in 2007. It has a Mazak Nexus, CNC control, chip conveyor, coolant system, ATS collar chuck, tailstock, and parts catcher and a probe. Okay. So we're going to do main spindle first?
We'll do the main spindle and MDI. RPM.
What are we at?
3,000 RPM.
3,000, okay. Okay. Can I take it up a little bit? That's good. Go to 5.
Not sure. It's 140% of the 3.
Okay.
And then we can switch over to live tooling. And our indicator shows we're live to the tooling. That's cool.
Okay.
That's 300. 500. And then I can move the turret. On that one.
Let's just leave it till the compressor turns off. Okay, speed it up a little bit. Okay, so the next third again. Again. That's good.
Drive some of these axes, the tailstock. X can come down. Z. apply. I believe that's all the motions are.